The MilePort 1 isn't just another compact electric bike. It's the kind of everyday companion that quietly transforms the way you move through the city. From the moment you unfold it, the bike reveals a blend of power, design, and practicality that fits perfectly into modern urban life. Its 250-watt motor delivers steady, reliable acceleration, carrying you up to 25 kilometers per hour, the sweet spot for navigating busy streets with confidence and ease. But what truly sets it apart is how effortlessly it adapts to your day. Powered by a 36V 13Ah removable battery, the MilePort 1 gives you the freedom to travel farther than expected. With up to 100 kilometers of pedal assist range, it lets you stretch a single charge across an entire day of errands, a long commute, or a spontaneous weekend escape beyond the city. Just ride, explore, and keep going. The bike keeps up with you. On the road, the experience feels surprisingly stable and smooth. The 20x3-inch fat tires absorb vibrations and uneven surfaces, turning rough paths, cobblestones, and gravel into comfortable terrain. Paired with a front suspension fork and a reliable 7-speed gear system, the MilePort 1 lets you tackle small hills, glide over bumps, and adjust quickly to whatever lies ahead. Every ride feels controlled, cushioned, and relaxed. And yet, it's the practicality that makes this e-bike a standout. Its foldable frame transforms the MilePort 1 into a compact, portable package within seconds. Slide it into the trunk of your car, tuck it under your desk, or store it in a small apartment corner. It fits anywhere your lifestyle demands. Light enough to carry and strong enough to support up to 120 kilograms, it's built for real daily use. Riders between 155 and 185 centimeters will find it comfortable, balanced, and easy to handle. Whether you're commuting through traffic, cruising along bike lanes, or heading out for a weekend adventure, the MilePort 1 makes the journey smoother, cleaner, and more enjoyable. It's a folding e-bike that brings together efficiency, comfort, and freedom, ready to accompany you wherever the road leads next.